Have you been applying and applying and even applying, getting a whole lot of thank you for your interest? Your resume is cute, but we're going in a different direction, only to scroll past that same exact job posting again next month like it never even was out there before. Yeah, I see you. I know you. I understand where you are. But listen, I get it. Some of you are qualified for the positions that you're applying for. Some of you are overqualified for the positions that you're applying for. You could do them in your sleep. And some of you are underqualified for the position, but you apply for it anyway, hoping that they won't ask you about that thing or they'll just train you on it. But it doesn't matter which one you are because the result is the same. You applied. Then they set up, some of you, they even set up an interview. You got to the second interview. You had to get dressed up, use your makeup, use your hair balm. You sat through that interview. You were slightly sweaty because you were like, I got to get this job because I got bills to pay. And you performed with enthusiasm for a company that couldn't even be bothered to send you a rejection email. And you're still here, still job hunting, still waiting on a yes that keeps turning into a we went in a different direction. Listen, I understand. I'm just talking about in the Black community alone. There are over 600,000 Black women who have lost their jobs and over 550,000 Black men who have lost their jobs. That's roughly 1.1 million people out here vying for these 1, 2, 10, 40, 100 jobs. Somebody's not going to get rehired. All right. So, what do? I know many of you are at a crossroads. Many of you are not sleeping at night. But listen, there is another way you can think about this. I know this sounds like a big leap. I know it does. But listen to me. I've been exactly where you are. Sitting on skills, sitting on knowledge and experience I've built for years and handing it to companies that treated it like we're replaceable because that's how they think. You're replaceable. At some point, we all have to realize it's not that they weren't valuing your worth, building you up to build their companies, but have you valued your worth, not work, worth, WORTH, so that you could build something of your own. All right. That's the decision that will change everything for you. It's not going to happen overnight and it's not going to come without work, but it can change everything for you. Maybe your story is a little different. Maybe you've had a dream for years of owning your own business, being your own boss, building something with your name on it, your ideas, put it into paper, see it come to maturity. But you were working full time, raising a family, running on fumes, and the dream just kept getting pushed back to maybe someday. Well, what if someday is allowed to be now, right now, in this time and space? That's exactly why I built Edge Effect AI Learning Hub. Inside, we walk through starting your business step by step, real steps, not a whole bunch of, we give you a little bits and pieces, and maybe you have to go piece the rest of it together. You got to watch this YouTube video, that YouTube video, and things are swirling. You're like, but why won't they just tell me about this part? We take you through step by step, no vague inspiration, actual here's what to do next guidance. All right. You'll learn how automation and systems help your business run without you being chained to it for 24 hours a day. Don't you know that that's how big businesses run? They run on automation. They do have personnel, but there's a lot of automation in the background that's running. And that's what we want to teach you. All right. You'll learn how to use AI, not as some scary buzzword, but as a tool that works like a team member. You can be a one person business and running it as if you have multiple employees. using AI. I'm telling you, this is a game changer, helping you get more done with less overwhelm, especially when you don't have a staff of 10 people yet, because most of us don't. All right, let's just be honest with you. All right. So this isn't a sign up and you're going to get rich by Friday, or you're going to get rich by the end of the month. I don't do that type of hype, okay? That's not what I do over here. I don't do overnight promises. If you're looking for that, I promise you this is not your community, because number one, you're going to have to do a lot of work. Number two, there's a lot of things that you have to set up on the back end, and that takes work. Number three, it's going to take some of your time. All right. So that if you're in for that, if you're in for the long haul and you're like, well, I can go ahead and apply, and while I'm waiting for these jobs to come through, I can still be starting my business. And then here's the other side. If a job comes through, you take those funds, pay your bills, and you begin to start funding your business. All right. And you don't give up on this dream over here, because you've already got your foundation set. Listen, we're right now building out a class where we are validating your ideas. A lot of times people will start a business and the idea is kind of shaky, and it's not going to be able to provide them with the income that they want because the idea is just not good. All right. So this particular tool that we use can actually help you validate your idea. And it will tell you, well, that's not, it's a good idea, but if you're looking for it to be your sole income, it's not going to do that. Or this is a great idea. We can tweak it here, there, and it will help you walk through the process of tweaking that idea and making sure that it is something that the people want. A lot of times we create businesses off of what we want and not what the people want. And that's why you don't see the results. All right. But if you're looking for someone who's going to hand you real steps, real tools, and real honesty about what it takes to build something that's actually yours, well, that's what you will actually find inside of Edge Effect Learning Hub. So here's your invite. Come and join me. It's free, guys. It's free. Hold on. It's free to join, and there are a lot of free classes, but there are some classes that will be paid. Why? Because you're doing the same thing. You are paying for the information. Somebody had to go get trained in order to learn the information so that they can bring it back to you. And you have to pay for their knowledge. And we're teaching you how to do that, okay? But a lot of our courses in there are absolutely free, okay? All right. So here's your invite. Come and join me inside Edge Effect Learning Hub. Let's build and let's grow together, one real step at a time. The link is in the comments and in the description. So go click it. All right. I'll see you in there. And go ahead and start. We're only on day 4. We're building it out. Don't worry. You don't have to go fast. You can stop the video, start the video, stop the video, start the video, until you catch up with each step and make sure that your business is set up correctly so that you can win. I can't wait to see you on the inside. Let's go.